The Laplace transform of the function 6x t cube plus 3 sin 4t. Alright. See, what is Laplace of t raised to n? N factorial divided by s raised to n plus 1. What is Laplace of sin at? A divided by s square plus a square. Substitute these two rules. Here 6 t cube, then 6 into t cube on doing 3 factorial divided by s raised to 3 plus 1 plus 3 we taken out, sin 40 on doing 4 divided by s square plus 4 square, right? That is 16. Then here 12 varum, here 6 into 6 36. 36 divided by s raised to 4 and 12 divided by s square plus 16. Option A is correct, right? Alright.